I have in front of me here a 200-meter roll of RG59 and a 2-core power cable that's available on the tvtrade.ie website. So if we actually just look, it comes in this timber drum here, and if we actually just look here, this is how the cable appears. So we have the RG59, and molded onto the side of it here we have our twin core power cable. Okay, so what I've actually done here is I've actually just stripped down the length of this cable. So we'll just look at the power cable first of all. So if we just strip this down, we'll see that inside the sheet we have a red and a black cable, so it's simply easy for us to identify them. And if we've stripped down the outer sheet on this again, and you can see that's a series of braiding inside, and that just makes it ideal for transporting power. So why would we need power and RG59 on a single cable? Well, if you envisage a situation where we're taking a feed from a camera and there's no local power source, then we're going to run the picture back obviously through the RG59, but we'll need a power cable running to it to actually feed that power to the camera. Now, if we come down along and we look at the RG59 part of it here, what we have here is we have the outer sheet, we have our strands of braiding inside, then we have the foil wrap, and then we come inside here, we have the dielectric, and then finally inside we have the core wire here. So I just take up this vernier calipers here, I'll just hold it up here, and we can see, I don't know if it'll display brilliantly here, but it's about 0.68 millimeters, the actual thickness. Okay, so we want it sufficiently thick that it can carry the power well, but it also has to be able to be used in conjunction with things like this BNC connector here. And the key dimension here is, will the pin fit accurately onto it? So what I'll just do is I'll just pick up this pin here and we just slide it on, and we see it slides on beautifully like that. So it's possible to crimp on this BNC connector. So that's a key thing for it. Now, in terms of the overall range of products that we have here, we have it in a 200-meter roll. Also, we'll say we have it in a 100-meter roll, which I'm just going to bring into focus here now. So that's just a wooden or a cardboard and plastic drum here, and but it's exactly the same cable on it. And finally, here we have a range of 100-meter and 200-meter, simply RG59 cable. So it's part of a wider range of cables, connectors, Cat5 cable, etc. So it's a pretty comprehensive range that we stock on tvtrade.ie.